Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit here with a very quick 5-minute tech tip, and it has to do with your RV toilet. If you have a Dometic 300 series, it's 301, 310, 320, I think they might even make another 300 series, and when you fill the bowl up with water, it's not holding the water, chances are it's the seal, and it's very easy to either maintain or fix. I'm going to show you both ways how to do it, and it takes only a minute. So this is a Dometic, I think it's a 310, but a 300 series Dometic RV toilet. And you have a white ball valve, and if you press the foot pedal, that pulls the ball valve back and allows you to flush. When the ball valve closes, it seals against this black rubber gasket, and that's what prevents water from leaking down, so you can keep water in your bowl. This can become dried out, and there's two things to try. So the first thing you want to try is just a multi-purpose synthetic grease, and it's real easy. You put a little on your finger, you'll open the ball valve with the water off, of course, and then just rub some grease underneath this gasket. Flush it a few times like that, and then see if that holds water. Probably half the time that will work, and sometimes it's just debris there, but it's a good way to maintain that gasket is to do that, you know, once a month or every couple weeks. But if that grease does not work, then you need to replace this gasket, and I'm going to show you how easy that is right now. Okay, bear with me, it is extremely tight in here. So the first thing you want to do is turn the water off, so when you press on the foot pedal, no water comes out. The second thing you want to do is take a paper towel and clean as much as you can around that. Now, I had a rubber glove. I can't get it on because it's so hot out, my hands are swollen. I cannot get it on, so I'm going to do this without a rubber glove. But bear with us. So the first thing is we want to remove this gasket, and it's as easy as opening the foot pedal, and you're going to hold that down, if I can do this with one hand here, and just pull on it. Just pull up and it comes out. It's literally that easy, and you can throw this out. Let's show you the new one now. So these are what I bought. I got these on Amazon. Now the Dometic branded gasket, one gasket from Dometic, is about $35. I got these, they're probably made in the same factory, but I got two for, I think I paid $12 for two, and we're going to give it a try. Some of the no brand names are really cheap and they won't work, but this seemed pretty good and they seem pretty pliable. But the first thing we want to do is, once our gasket's out, we're going to just wipe that clean. You can even open this up and get in that groove where it's going. And that's actually pretty clean. So we're going to take a gasket, and you'll see one end is completely flat and the other end has a ridge, and that has a ridge. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but it says this side up, so you really can't make a mistake. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some of that synthetic grease on it. And you don't need much, just put a little on your finger, and you're just going to coat the underside of that gasket. Again, you're coating the side that's going down, not the side that says this side up. And again, you don't need much, just spread it out. And let me wipe my hands. Okay, to put it in is literally just as easy to take it out. You're going to leave now the ball cock closed, and you're just going to push that down, and it'll start to snap in, and there it is. It just snaps in by itself. Open and close your foot pedal a few times, Make sure it's seated properly, and it does seat properly. It's just really so easy. And that's it. I'm going to turn on the waters. Let's see if it holds water. Okay, the water's on. I'm going to put very little in so I can see if it's leaking. And right to that rim. And nope, it doesn't appear to be leaking. It's holding water. So that's it. It's that simple. I recommend always have one of these as a spare in your RV, and always carry this grease. This grease is great for a lot of other things. But this is a simple fix. Something you could do yourself, and it's a common problem. I mean, they just dry out from when you don't use your RV and it gets dried out and stuff like that. But I will leave a link to the gasket and the grease down below. I got them on Amazon, and I said I think I paid $12 or $13 for 2 of them, non-Dometic brand. But I'll leave the Dometic brand down there, link too, if that's your flavor. But as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you soon.